You're listening to Cabrina Connaty.
There's a very, very special award that's happening out in Trim in County Meath. The St Mary's Convent National School, their Irish is so wonderful that they have gotten a massive award for promoting their Irish language speaking. They have been awarded the Gaelbhratach. If I have pronounced that correctly, I will get that checked, for all their creative work using Irish in their day-to-day life. And I have the school teacher and vice principal Siobhan Nally on the phone to talk to me about it. Siobhan, thank you so much for speaking to me on the 11 to 1 show. You're having a fabulous day out there today.
Oh, Tommy Jerbich Kinchansha, Dorothy Mer on Gaelbhratach and you. Agus Hánig Kayleigh Trappe con Asian Yenov. So we're very happy here today, really proud of our students. We raised our Irish flag. So Furmer on Gaelbhratach, Dewar Mage Gaelga, Mage upper Arinamer modulation Gaelga on Imlina. So we got it for all the Irish and the efforts we made to try and promote Irish as our live language in the school. And we're really, really excited to have Kayleigh with us today. So Bidder Gunnery she couple of buckle in ish.
Yes, yes, Kerkulor.
That was the Joshua Taman Shaw, one sold us last na Capri, August and Cupante and the Gaelbhratach Ardu. I'm sitting here stuffing my face with sandwiches and tea after raising the Gaelbhratach, but Lord and Case Govey again in show. We've had a fantastic day. August Tom Cover Roder last na Fosti. I'm very proud of the children.
And Kayleigh, you were such a wonderful representative as well for the Irish language, along with all the staff and students there at St Mary's Convent National School in Trim. How are you using your own platform, I suppose, to promote the Irish language?
Yeah, I think it's such a blessing to have it. And initially I didn't know how I was going to mask it in with everything. But now I just like Kermit Fritchford to treat Gotcha. I put it kind of in between everything, be it on my social media. I've had great opportunities to be an ambassador for the Irish language. I'm currently working with TG Cahir. So it's been a real eye-opener and just me witnessing how much of a live language it is and how alive it is. And I think we're very lucky in the fact that it's becoming such a big phenomenon on the social media as well. They have Mar Gerha Gaeltach in it, August Tanadini Oige Lig Orkershin, August Tomajiri de Sprago and Tamarfat. So throwing in a couple of words here and there. I was telling the children earlier, be it Malcavag Dulgaji and Laris, no cup on tail the whole, anything at all. We appreciate every little effort, and it's never too late. And it's great to see, other people like Roz Purcell even talking about how she's coming to love the language later in life and things like that. So it's fantastic, and long may it last.
I'm the same, Kayleigh, because Tom McGuire go Hulk, and I don't have very much, but Cúpla Focal I have, and trying to implement that in Gach Law is important. And
absolutely,
it's a task, but it's something, stretching that muscle again and remembering that we have it in there. It's in our DNA. We were learning it since we were in national school, so it is in there.
Sure.
And just bringing that back up.
It's great. Like I even appreciate walking down the street and hearing someone, even if it is just a ditch or whatever it is, you just get a wee buzz and you really feel so proud of our culture. So hopefully people keep picking it up and keep learning it, and like I said, it's never too late.
Absolutely. Thank you, Kayleigh, thanks so much. I know you were in a hurry off, but I might have you might jump into me sometime here in LMFM. We'll have more of a chat about the Gaeilge.
Trivan Gaeilge completely as Gaeilge, yes.
Yes, 100%.
Yes, perfect.
Lovely.
Perfect.
Kayleigh, have a lovely day, and thanks so much as well for coming on with me.
Bye for me.
Slán.
So Tamisha Rasharish August Thomas the Colony occur large Gaelganish. So dústá Aisling again or wrong a sé.
Aisling, do you great? Can I talk to you? Tommy Kerkulor, big day in the school today for you.
Yeah.
And tell me what the events how has the day unfolded for you?
Bhí chuaimid amach agus ordumid an Gaelbhratach ar maidin.
And Maidin agus Kayleigh Trappe there as well.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And tell me, you're in Rangashay, so you're nearly finished primary school?
Yeah, Tommy.
Yeah, so do you finish this week?
Yeah.
That's a very exciting way to finish the week, isn't it?
Yeah, tá sé.
And are you very excited to go to secondary school and do Irish in secondary school?
Yeah, tá mé. Yeah.
Lovely. Aisling, thanks so much for speaking to me. Is there somebody else who's on the line waiting to come on?
Tá, yeah.
Great. Can you hand me over?
Saoirse agin agus tá sin seo.
Saoirse, díoghuit.
Díos margwit.
Saoirse, tell me some of the activities that you were doing that's led to today.
Gach seachtain raine míad nach na seachtainna agus déine míad iirecht úsáid.
So, do you speak Irish at home as well?
Ní.
No, just in the school.
Yeah.
And do you talk it le Kayleigh Trappe?
Yes, tá.
Oh, I'm gaham. Yeah. Saoirse, well, what class are you in?
Available to buy or rent at home now. The Phoenician Scheme.
It's my most important project of my lifetime.
Meet Jean-Jacques Corda.
They keep getting assassinated unsuccessfully so far.
He's the most bold, most elusive, most wanted man on the planet.
Help yourself to a hand grenade. You're very kind.
Starring Benicio del Toro, Mia Threppleton, Michael Cera, Tom Hanks, Scarlett Johansson, and Jeffrey Wright. The Phoenician Scheme. Available to buy or rent at home now.
BetterHelp Online Therapy bought this 30-second ad to remind you, right now, wherever you are, to unclench your jaw, relax your shoulders, take a deep breath in and out. Feels better, right? That's 15 seconds of self-care. Imagine what you could do with more. Visit betterhelp.com/randompod for 10% off your first month of therapy. No pressure, just help. But for now, just relax.
Hey, it's Jake Humphrey here, host of High Performance. We're currently sponsored by London Business School. London Business School is a place where learners from around the world come together to learn, grow, and challenge convention. It's a community that believes real progress comes from embracing difference, because when we share ideas, we find better ways forward. LBS believes that difference drives progress. Find out how bringing together unique perspectives creates real change. Search London Business School or visit london.edu.
Wrong sé.
Wrong as as well, so you're finishing up primary school this week too?
Yeah.
Well, Cogorgicus, and best of luck on all your endeavours in secondary school. Saoirse, I believe there's someone else there who I need to speak to.
Tá Eilish agin ó rang a cuaig inis.
Wrong a cuaig. Eilish, díoghuit, cunas atá tú?
Margwit. Go mag to hain.
Oh, Onawa. Tell me, how do you feel now after all your hard work that you've been doing in the school?
Bís tá sé ionintach le eáil gachta na chur iirecht móristeach agus na múnsrí comá déanann siad le iirecht an mór agus na ticéidí ar an clós agus an sin ar an hína bíon crankar ein agus bíon dúis na deas le haid leabhart Gaelga.
That's fabulous. And you've been busy doing all these different activities every day. Tell me about today's celebration. Has it been good fun?
Oh, so much fun, yeah. Tá sé ionintach. It's a great atmosphere, like everyone's all happy and excited, and Kayleigh Trappe, tá sé like andas gachtainna a bheith an le haid eáil. Something new for each of you, nua sa scoil agus difriúil. Yeah, an difriúil ach tá sé andas like bhí sé ionintach mar cuaig muds go dtí Ross Cray an tachta an mórt seo chatte agus formud an Gaelbhratach agus bhí go leor sport is brí an agus cluichí das as Gaelga.
And how many people went to Ross Cray?
Cuaig denner go dtí Ross Cray.
Wow. So it was a lot of crack.
Yeah, a lot of crack.
Thank you so much for chatting to me today. And you're going into 6th class now in September.
Yeah.
Well, before that, enjoy all your summer holidays and Cogorgicus, Arish.
Oh, grandma had slán.
Slán.
No, Caprina, I'm a rash Arish.
Oh, Siobhan, they are an absolute credit. I could learn so much from each of them. Tá sé ar eas.
It's a little bit nerve-wracking being on live radio, but yeah, they did a sore job. Yeah,
I mean, it's nerve-wracking. You're telling me it's definitely difficult. And when it comes to Os Gaeilge, when I try, I feel like I become even more nervous. Even though, like I said to Kayleigh, cúpla focal, we have it and it's in there. It's just about practicing gach lá, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. And I definitely condone that, because if you just keep using it, you won't lose it and it'll come back. It's amazing. Just have to immerse yourself in it and, even listen to a few podcasts. Yeah. It really can help. And it's lovely to hear when a presenter on the radio uses the cúpla focal. I have to say, it makes me sit up and I feel very proud that we haven't forgotten our native language. So, Lanarth, Yenov, agus, Gunnar go bra leat. So an bhfuil éon ceistile tá múntar eile agam múntar fearha agus déanann an ceol leis na chalíní ceol lurgan agus they have great fun with that, and ag fólam na Gaeilge 3 ceol. So beidir gur féidir leis labhairt leat.
Cúpla nóméid, sí, se.
Dear Gwitches, Mr. Casey, chun tá.
Dear Gwitch, Mr. Casey, chun is atá tú?
Tá sé Jacker Dullarash Eilish. Yeah,
Agus it's a big day there in the school, and it's been a real big initiative for you. Can you tell me a little bit more about what you did for getting this flag today? Obviously, as you know, our school is through the means of English, so it's even more important to have the Gaelbhratach, like Agrin Siad Lawn Rud, the rate on Fleeing, the Shocked in the Gaeilge, Agrin Siad Clihí done Gachran. So as a third class teacher, it's great because tá Birch Colini so wrong. They're members of the Gaelbhratach, so talking to either Ashla Clihí done wrong, August. We do a lot of stuff. We do fashion shows during the week or during the year. Shocked in the Gaeilge, as I said, there is a massive part of our year, but it's just great. It's hard to give Irish the full time it deserves in an English speaking school. So Jane and Gaelbhratach Lawn Rud Gun on Chonga Kamad Bio. Absolutely incredible. Well, I'm going to leave it there and Cogorgicus today and the whole school air on St Mary's Convent National School, Trim, County Meath. You're clearly, as a whole team, doing such a wonderful thing. Like you said, difficult to make such passion as well for the kids. I can feel it in their voices, how much they love it. They really, really love it. And that's thanks to the work of the teachers and the team there. So Cogorgicus on your Gaelbhratach flag today. Enjoy the rest of the celebrations, and thank you
Cabrina,
so much.
And thank you for featuring it on your programme. It's great to get promotion like this, and I hope lots of people who are listening will use their cúpla focal and enjoy Irish and keep it going.
Siobhan, Nally and everybody in St Mary's Convent National School, Trim, keep it up. You're setting a wonderful example, and it's fabulous. It's definitely putting a smile on my face today. So Cogorgicus agus Gurmila.
Okay, slán go fóill.
Slán.
You're listening to Cabrina Connolly.